Welcome back, YouTube gang. I go by Byshaad, and welcome to my channel, Byshaad. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. Comment down below on what you think about these dope shoe custom tutorial that I'm about to teach y'all today. This video is specifically for all of my customers on Etsy or any of my other websites that buy my Lightning V2 vinyl. I'm going to show y'all step by step on how to make that same custom. You will need some scissors on hand so you can cut around the design, and you pretty much have to create your own on what I supplied y'all from the design that my machine made. But it's really easy, it's fun to do. You can even create your own as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm gonna let y'all know what supplies you need, and then I'm going to show y'all step by step. So first and foremost, you need some lightning strike vinyls. I sell these on my Etsy. I will have the link down below for you guys to purchase if you want to purchase, or you can buy the specific custom if you want it and you don't want to do it yourself. So you need 4 of these, so 2 for each shoe. You can create your own and just use 2 and have your own little flavor to it. You know, yeah, have your own little flavor, your little swag to your shoe. It don't have to be exactly the same. So you need the vinyls. You need your little weeding tool, and some scissors. I'm using these scissors. Can't find my other one, so it'll be alright. Then you need the shoes. So, you know what to expect. Yeah, y'all knew it's the same all white Air Force One lows that I will be doing for y'all. You can do it on Vans, any other shoe. It doesn't have to be leather. I like working with leather because it makes it a little bit more easier rather than canvas, because I do canvas as well, but you can burn canvas more. You can burn canvas more easier than leather. So I recommend working on leather shoes or some type of leather material, or you either can do it on, you can add the vinyls on clothing materials. They work on cotton, polyester, nylon, 50-50 blends, all of that. So it doesn't have to be specifically shoes, but this is what I do, and this is my side hustle. So I will be showing y'all the shoes. So all white Air Force Ones, and this is what we're trying to get to right here. So it looks like a lot going on, but it's a lightning strike coming from the back all the way down to the side of the shoe. Depending on how big your shoe is or how small your shoe is, the design length will vary. So this is a smaller shoe, so it's kind of long. If it was either smaller, it will come all the way up here. Big shoe, it'll probably stop like right in that area, like a size 12 and up maybe. So yeah, this is really dope. It's also 3M reflective. It's a silver color, like a gray color. I only use the best of the best materials for my vinyl. So this is Caesar, however you want to say it. I see a lot of people say it differently. So yeah, shout out to y'all, because y'all confusing your boy. I get very confused when I see a lot of people say a lot of different terms or name pronunciations, and then I get stuck on which one I want to use or which one I like better. Or I could just start being lazy and actually, you know, get the name exactly from Google. But yeah, this is reflective. I will show you at the end with the flash on the camera, so y'all can see how it reflects. It is highly reflective, and this is nice, dope, simple custom. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into that video. Alright, so here we go there, blank canvas. Trying to get it to similar on this end. Also, you're gonna need the mini iron. I can't forget about that. Sorry, you got it on already. So what we're gonna do now is you want to get the vinyl. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to show y'all the two shoe side by side reveal like I always do. So here we go. We have both of the shoes done now. See if I can get it focused on the shoes so they can turn out clear. And I will show you what the reflecting looks like on them. I don't think my phone is going to do it on the camera. Let me see. Nah. Nope. Alright, that's cool though. I will show y'all the real thing. But yeah, here you go. So yeah, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more new content and tutorials, specific detailed custom work, painting, all that, the whole 9 yards. Let me know on what more y'all want me to upload onto my channel. Like this video, comment down below, hit that notification button, subscribe to your boy, show some support. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I'm out.